Oh my god, hello and welcome to the most exciting video of my life. Excuse me. It is my NYX Face Awards New Zealand Top 30 unboxing video. I am so excited. I didn't think this bad boy was going to arrive today because I am about to go away for a couple days for training, and I thought this was going to arrive like while I was away, but it arrived today and it's this big. So we are going to open this up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. This is like Christmas. I absolutely love NYX, so I cannot wait to see what is in here. Oh, my paper's a bit bent, but it says, "Congratulations for making the top 30. We are so pumped to see what you come up with for challenge 1. We hope you enjoy these goodies to kickstart your creativity. Thanks so much to our amazing sponsors, Redken NZ, Garnier NZ and Farmers NZ for the amazing goodies they've contributed. Please be sure to tag them as above in your unboxing videos and photos." I sure will. Thank you so much to those sponsors. That is amazing. I'm going to keep this piece of paper forever. Okay, so just going to tilt it on the side so you can see. Is that a bit better? I can't tell. I made this like really pretty background and now I realise you can like barely see it. So that's great. But anyway, we have pretty pink tissue here. Lots of paper. Yay! Alright, I'm going to sit this down here and pull things. Oh crap, oh crap. Alright, I'm going to pull things out from the box one by one so we can have a look. First of all, it's a mysterious little white box. My cat is rummaging through stuff already. Cute! Oh, it's this adorable little mirror. That is so cute. Oh my god! How cute is that? Oh, blinding you. Sorry. How cute! Oh, that is adorable. We're gonna sit that right there. Alright, next thing in the box. NYX Beauty School Dropout. Oh, it's a palette. I need my knife again. Where's my knife? It says Back to Basics. Ooh. That looks like it'll be awesome for traveling. We have some pretty highlights over here. Some... Uh-oh, someone's ringing me. Hello?
Hey wife.
Hey husband, what's up?
I'm just calling you to say that I'll be there probably 10 to 6.
Okay, sweet.
So I can come with you if you want.
Yay! Guess what?
What?
My NYX box arrived.
Oh, that's fucking handy.
I know.
That couldn't be any better, could it?
I'm filming right now.
Oh, sweet. Okay. I'll let you carry on filming this.
My ring light arrived as well. Perfect day.
That was quick.
I know. So perfect.
You're having a good day then.
Yes, I am. The floor's already covered in rubbish.
Yeah, that's you know it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you soon then.
Okay, I love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye. Anywho, so yeah, we have this amazing palette. Sorry about all the reflection, but yay, that is going to be awesome. I will give that one a go sometime. Can you see my kitty cat here bugging me? This is Friday. If you've been watching me since the old days, you'll know that Friday always makes an appearance in videos. Mummy's trying to open presents. Let me show you. Is it tea time? Be a good girl and wait. Oh, next we have a box from Redken. It says Federation and Redken, so let's see what's in here. I need my knife again. was that noise? We have a hand. Oh, it's a candle. Oh my god. Ah, this is very cool. That is cool. This is awesome. Hand candle. I'm a girl, so I love candles. This is really awesome. I don't know if you can see it. That is so cool. Thank you, Redken. That is awesome. You can sit there giving me a thumbs up for all my goodies. Ooh, it looks like we have a gift card for Farmers. How exciting! That means I can shop more. Ooh, $50 for Farmers. Thank you very much, Farmers. That is amazing. Next, it looks like we have a top from Farmers. Nice. From the brand Only, which is new from Farmers, and it just says Friday on it, and I live in black clothing since I'm a makeup artist, so this is really awesome. And I like that they sent me a size large because it's going to be nice and biggy and cozy. Yay, thank you. Oh, next we got some underwear. This is Bonds Undies, which is awesome. Can't go wrong with undies. Thank you. That must be from Farmers as well. Thank you so much. We'll put our new undies up there. Next we have a couple of masks, and I am absolutely obsessed with masks, so that is amazing. These are from Garnier. I actually just bought this one and I'm loving the sheet mask, and I bought the Volcano clay one from this one. So these are super amazing and I can't wait to try them. Yay, love masks. Next we have a product from Redken. What is this? Heat Active Texturizer. Ooh. That looks like it might be pretty cool. I'm always looking for new hair products, and texturizer is really good because I've got really flat fine hair. So I will be giving that a go. It might come useful for a video. Whew, I'm bringing the box up. Oh, this tag must have been off one of the things from Farmers. It says with love from Farmers. Very cute. And in the bottom we have a whole bunch of NYX goodies. I'm so excited. First we have the NYX Double Stacked Lash Fiber Mascara. So I think you get the white one for the fibers and then the black one as the normal mascara. So that is awesome. I'll be trying that out. Oh, we have another Redken product. This is the Outshine Anti-Frizz Polishing Milk. Ooh, I need this. I always buy anti-frizz products. That is amazing. I'm going to squirt a little. I just washed my hair, so... Ooh! Smells nice. Oh yes, give me the luscious locks. Next we have the Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. I've heard good things about this, so I'm super excited to try this, and they sent me, I can't talk, I'm too excited. They sent me the shade Nude, which will work really well for me, so yay, thank you. And I also have another one, and this is in the shade Creamy Natural. So both of those colours look like they'll work pretty well, so I'll try them out and see which one's better. My hair smells really good now. Ooh, next we have the Total Control Colour Drops, and there is a few shades. This is, what is this one? So we have Vanilla, True Beige, Mocha, Light Clear, which sounds like a bit of me, Porcelain, also me, Beige, and Natural. Woohoo! Those are going to be absolutely amazing in my kit because I am a freelance makeup artist, and those are literally all the shades I would ever need to match someone, so that is amazing. Too much stuff. Okay. Next we have the NYX Wonder Stick, and this is a like highlight and contour stick, and I've been meaning to pick up a contour stick because I usually just use a dark foundation and go 2 lines and then blend it out, so this is going to be amazing to try. Next we have the cream highlight and contour kit. I am a big fan of highlighting and contouring, so I'm super excited to have this. Well, there's a really pretty like golden peachy highlight in there, so that is exciting. Yay! What next? Oh, next we have the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Camouflage little palette. So this is like some cream concealers, so that is super exciting as well. Yay! How many times in this video have I said yay? I'm just so excited. Next, it looks like we have some little individual shadows. Oh, is that all of you? Yes, so we have a really pretty purple shade in Epic. We have, oh, this is my kind of shade. It's called Heat, and it's like a spicy, mauvey red kind of shade. Words. This one's called Fetish, and it's like a dark purple. This one is called Gumdrop, and it's a really pretty like champagne pink. I love shades like that as well. And lastly we have SOS, which is like a pretty taupe, which will be great for like blending out. Next we have these baked blushes, which look so pretty. I don't think I've seen these before. Let me in. Oh, they have really cute packaging. They have really cute packaging. It's like in this little clear box, and it opens up with a little bow. I'm a massive fan of blush, so I'm excited. Oh, that's like a really pretty like peachy nude shade. It's called Solstice. And then this is a really gorgeous reddy based blush. It's called Statement Red. And can't get in. Ooh, that is really pretty as well. Like a really pretty deep pink. Next we have the Glam Liner. Ooh, I love these. I have this like pink champagne one. I can't remember what the shade is right now, but I absolutely love it. It's amazing, so I'm excited to try this one out. They go on so nicely and they stay put, and they are amazing. Sorry, I'm trying to find like everything else that's rolling around the box. We have another one in in 24 Karat Glamour, and this one is Glam Azure. And then do we have another one? We have another one in, this is like a really pretty like beige colour, which would be really interesting for a liner. Glam Nude. Yay! Next we have some lippies. We have the NYX Lingerie lippies. This one is an Exotic, which is a really pretty like deep, what kind of word today? Like a beigey pink. Do you know what I mean? We have the shade Dusk Till Dawn, which is a really pretty nude. We have Teddy. Ooh, that's a really pretty like brownie nude. Embellishment. And, and we have Beauty Mark. Yay! Those are all like really amazing autumn shades, so I'm excited to give those a go. Oh, I found another one. This is in the shade Bedtime Flirt. Yay, that is like a pinky nude, so that's probably like something I would go for the most. That is really pretty. Yeah! Oh, we have another one of those baked blushes. It says baked blush plus illuminator plus bronzer, and this is in the shade Ladylike, and it's a really pretty like muted baby pink. I can't get the plastic off, but it's really pretty. We're coming down to the last lot of stuff. There's some secret stuff hiding under the box flap. We have a NYX Simply Red Lip Cream. That's a really nice true red lippy. And we have a Simply Vamp Lip Cream, and this is like a deep purple. That looks super fun, love that. And we have a NYX eyebrow pencil in medium brown, which should work nicely for me. Love trying new brow products. Whew. We are done with the box, we are down to the last few products, and I left the most exciting till last. These are the Primal Colors Pressed Pigments, and I've been wanting these for so long. So we have the color Hot Blue, this one which is amazing. This is like my lipstick color. It is Hot Fuchsia. Can't wait to use that in a look. As well as this one, Hot Pink. So pretty. This is Hot Black. And lastly we have Hot Orange. Yay, that is all of my amazing goodies from NYX Cosmetics and the amazing sponsors Redken, Farmers and Garnier. Thank you so much. This is amazing. I absolutely love everything and I can't wait to use it all in my upcoming video for the top 30 challenge. I find out in 2 days what the challenge is, on my birthday actually in 2 days, so that is super exciting, and this is like an early birthday present. So thank you so much. I am so stoked to be in the top 30 and I can't wait for you to all see what I can do, and I'm going to put my all into it because this is my absolute dream. I've been watching the NYX Face Awards for years now and I've always dreamt of being a part of it, and I am so excited to just give it my all. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos, and stay tuned for my top 30 challenge video. Woohoo! Bye guys!